So today I am unboxing the Fixwal Make a Better Home Paulownia wood, and these are 3+1 tier bathroom or kitchen, dark brown. Okay, now I need to get in this because I know I order gray because the tile in the bathroom is crap. Okay, I think they ordered the wrong. I think they sent me the wrong thing. Please be gray. Please be gray. Oh my god. I think they sent me the wrong thing, y'all. If it's the wrong color, I will probably have to use this in my bedroom and reorder the color that will match. My heart is in my mouth right now. Okay, so we got screws with it, and these feel very heavy. They're not like the regular drywall screws. These feel like they're concrete screws. So we got the screws, we got some anchors and a little level on here. Sorry about that, my battery is on 15%, so the flash just went off and it's pretty dark in here, so I'm just going to wing it. Okay, so this looks like it's going to take some brain work to put it together. The shelf itself will be in the description. These are the instructions and they are in English. This was local, so it's from Temu, but it wasn't shipped from China. It was shipped locally. I think these are some stuff to go in here. You will see the finished look on the thumbnail. Sorry about the darkness. Let me see if I can turn my computer light up to get some more light. These are the sides. Okay, so this isn't so bad. It was supposed to be gray, but this will work because it has the gray kind of black tone in here, so I think I'm gonna work with it. Depending on, I did get a little screwdriver in here, so each package come with one. Oh my god, these are nicer than I expected, and they're thick. Oh, these are two pieces in one. These are two shells in one, but they do have the little border thingy. Oh, wait a minute, I don't see one thing in here. So these are 4 pieces, and then this piece, what's going on? I'm confused. I am a bit confused because this is like a towel bar to go underneath the shelf. I am a bit confused here, guys, because I did not get any shelf brackets. I messed up. I am gonna have to check the product description for these if they're still available, because I did not get any shelf brackets with this, and they are supposed to come with the shelf brackets. Oh,